So for part 11 here, part A says list all the rational zeros. So of course we take all the factors of the last term, and then we divide by all the factors of the first term. So that gave me all the factors of 15 are on top, all the factors of 2 on the bottom. That gives me all these to work with. Okay. Part B says graph the function in the graphing calculator. So hopefully you'll do that. Just plug this into your graphing calculator and find two rational functions or rational zeros from your list in part A. So when you do that, the two that you should find are -1 and 3/2. So if you haven't done that, go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so once you've done that, you're going to use these two zeros to pull out your other zeros. So what I mean by that is, let's set up -1 and use synthetic division. I'd have 2, -1, -13, 5, and 15. And then skip a line and draw a line, bring down. I would have 2, we're adding this up here. That would give me -2, this would give me -3, this would give me 3, this would give me -10, that would give me a +10, this would be 15, and then a -15, and of course we get a 0 here. Then you would use 3/2 because that's another 0. So I would use 3/2 on the resulting part of the leftover factor from my polynomial. So 2, -3, -10, and 15. Again, sort of set up the synthetic division like we always do. So 2, so this is going to give me a 3 here. Adding together would give me 0. 0 times anything is 0. This would be -10. And this would give me a -15 when I collect and get a 0 there. So from here, this part down below, this would give me 2x squared minus 10 equals 0. So that would be 2x squared is going to be 10. So x squared has to be 5. So x would then be plus or minus the square root of 5. So when I'm all said and done, the zeros are -1, 3/2, and then plus or minus 5, square root of 5. Notice that this one, of course, won't show up in your list of part A because that is an irrational number. All right.